Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the most repeated question in the interview, which is merge two lists without using any built-in function. Here we have two lists, a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6, and here we have created an empty list to store the merged result. Here this is the first loop for I in A. Here we have iterations I equal to 1, I equal to 2 and I equal to 3. Here I equal to 1 and I equal to 2 and I equal to 3. And first operation I equal to 1, C dot append of I, C dot append of 1. Here C equal to empty. Now we will add 1 and now this is the updated list. Now I equal to 2, C dot append of 2. Here we will add 2. Now this is the updated list, which is 1 comma 2. And here 3, I equal to 3, C dot append of 3. C equal to 1, C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. And here the list is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now this is the updated list. After first loop finishes, this is the updated list, C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. And here when we are coming to the second loop for I in B, here these are the iterations I equal to 4, I equal to 5 and I equal to 6. Now we will perform operations. I equal to 4, C dot append of 4. Now here what is the C? This is the updated list, right? Now here what is the updated list? 1 comma 2 comma 3, and now we will add 4. Now this is the updated list, C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now here I equal to 5, C dot append of 5. Now here what is the updated list? This is right, C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and 5. Now this is the updated list. Now here I equal to 6, C dot append of 6. Here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma now 6. Now this is the updated list. After second loop finishes, here this is the list, which is C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now the final output is this is. I hope you understand. Thank you.